Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on Fitbit. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Fitbit. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.